So Arnold, do you play any instruments?
I do keys and guitar.
Mhm.
Taking up lessons, I'm trying to be good at drums. Kaya try, pero talagang keys ako. Of course, vocals. Ito ang ano natin.
Do you have any favorite musicals?
Musical. Wicked for now, I guess. Like parang nabalik niya ako doon. I've been fanboying for it when I was young, pero right now kasi siya yung trend, so parang nababalik ako. I'm also an Ariana Grande fan.
Yeah, kung may makaka-collab ka naman na international artists, sinong-sino yung mga yun?
Dream big ulit. Oh my
Dream
God.
big, yeah.
Let's dream big. Mashock siguro yung mga tao dito, pero BTS, dream big tayo.
Sino bias mo sa BTS?
Of course, si V. Love his fashion, love his craft. Umiyak ako nung nilabas niya album niya. Album ba? Yung EP? Basta yun, with a dog. See you on time. May rest in peace.
So, for an independent artist
Oh.
like you, ano yung, bukod syempre sa promotion, gawa nga, independent, and of course, the budgeting, ganyan. Kasi own di ba?
Yeah.
Wala kang, di ba, label pa, independent ka. Ano pa yung challenge for you?
Challenge
far,
would
yeah.
be meeting with people a lot. Kasi people you really have to get along with a lot of people. And then, intentions are very important. Kailangan talaga marunong mamangilala. Because not everyone has good intentions. So, in this industry, kailangan na kumausap ka ng mga taong kayang naniniwala talaga sa'yo. I think that's number one. Yung kaya ipagtanggol yung musika mo kahit sino pang kaharap nila. Kasi mahirap makatrabaho yung iba lang ang habol. It's not
Yeah.
really your art. So, importante the intention na naniniwala sila sa'yo at mahal nila yung musika mo. Kasi doon lang nila ikaw maipopromote. If not, if hindi yun yung intention nila, walang pupuntahan talaga.
Yeah, if you don't mind, sambanggit na rin yung intention para may hugot kayo.
Ay, exactly.
Was there a time na like you were taken advantage of?
Nako, a lot of time, ever since I was young, hindi ko alam bakit sinusundan ata ako. Gawa na kaya akong kanta tungkol dito.
Why not? Baka yan ang magpaano sa'yo kasi marami makaka-relate.
Like, actually, I've been told that a lot of people, narinig ko, I'm such a people pleaser. And that's pag-iisipin natin, when we're told like we're a people pleaser, parang bad yung may isip, offensive siya. But pag tinagalog mo siya, it's actually pakikipagkapwa. So it's not really a bad thing. So I think the bad people here would be those who abuse people pleasers. Diba? So I think, in that sense, parang let's just be good people. At the end of the day, whoever we talk to, with our clear intentions, sila yon. Their action is not our fault. Basta alam mo wala kang ginagawa sa So we're going back to intentions.
Can you tell me more about your music? Ano yung may iniisip ka na ba na gusto mo signature style mo or you're in the process of exploration ba rin?
I've been
As a young
exploring a lot.
artist.
So nag-start ako as contemporary R&B and nag-dive ako into OPM pop rock. And then to jump to actually roots of pop rock and alternative pop. But now I'm seeing myself, I wanna go P-pop. Like, yeah, I wanna go P-pop this time. And I think yun talaga, kasi ever since I really love pop. And there's nothing wrong about it. Parang, why not just embrace it? I'm going, and with my branding, to believe in love, to actually, kahit na gaano pa kahirap yung mundo ngayon, to always see through na love will always, dito like romantic love ha, like love for yourself, love for the environment, like love for life basically, yun siya. That's what I want to go for. Music I want to listen and share to a lot
Yeah.
of people.
So, isa sa pinakasikat na P-pop groups ngayon is of course SB19.
Yeah.
Do you have any bias sa kanila?
Oh my God. I love them all, pero I really look up to Pablo ever since I watched the concert. Pero I'm a full Josh Cullen bias.
Wow. Okay. Why? Ano yung particular qualities
Performance,
or...
siguro when
Yeah.
watching their MVs, music videos, like all of them are really good.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
nakakat lang ng eye ko si Josh. Pero, nung sa performance, ewan ko, si Pablo yung nakakuha sa akin ng day na yun.
Yan. So, last question. Kung if ever, di ba, dream big, mag-international tour ka, ano yung unang gusto mong mapuntahang bansa at bakit?
Of course, with my branding and LGBT BL roots, I would love to perform in Bangkok. Thailand tayo.
Perform lang, hindi baka pagbalik.
Ay, hindi naman.
Iba na eh.
I'm happy this way.
Yeah.
No changes. This
Yeah.
is, medyo happy naman ako.
Yeah.
All
Thank-
angles. Ganun.
Thank you.